Your room is secretly draining your presence. Have you noticed your energy slipping away inside your own house? Defeat and low confidence are heavily connected to the frozen timeline of your space. A wrong decor, a stopped clock, or a dead battery creates a toxic energy trap. It quietly kills your motivation. You must unlock your blocked environment right now. To reclaim your frozen courage, here are 3 Feng Shui essentials. The first essential: if you feel weak and have no energy, place a yellow ring clock on the left side of your desk. The yellow ring creates a perfect energy loop. It pumps constant vitality into your dull aura. The second essential: if your heart is anxious and trembling, introduce the olive green ceramic arch clock. Place it directly in your bedroom. The solid ceramic material grounds your chaotic mind. The arch design protects your soul like a sacred temple, shielding you from fear. The third essential: if you cannot decide and hesitate every day, you need the stainless steel cube clock. Place it right in front of your eyes. The sharp metallic corners cut down all your toxic doubts. The mirror surface reflects and kills negative energy. It instantly awakens your sharpest judgment. Walk with pride. Stand tall. Find your inner peace. The full masterclass is linked below. This is the Multidimensional Creator. Style your flow. Design your life.